The landscape of documentation is rapidly evolving, with organizations seeking smarter, faster ways to manage knowledge and support content creation. Efficiency is no longer optional, it's expected. Imagine a team of technical writers working together to produce documentation for a growing product. To stay ahead, they need more than just a basic editor. They need a platform that combines speed, flexibility, and all the tools they need in a single workspace. As user preferences shift towards more visual content, screenshots, videos, and guided walkthroughs, the limitations of text-only documentation become clear. Traditionally, this means switching between multiple tools to get the job done. But with Document 360's Floik AI capabilities, those barriers disappear. Now, teams can create step-by-step guides, capture screenshots, and create interactive videos and demos seamlessly, all within one platform. Step-by-step guide. To create a step-by-step guide, go to the documentation section, click the Create drop-down, and select Step-by-Step Guide. Enter an article name and assign a category, and click Start Capturing. In the pop-up window, choose the Chrome tab to record and click Share. Before capturing, you can adjust resolution and toggle recording controls. Then, begin interacting with the page. Mouse clicks and navigation will be automatically captured to build your guide. When done, click Done to upload your session. The article will auto-generate numbered steps with editable screenshots and text. Add or remove steps, replace images, or adjust mouse click positions as needed. Use the Blur tool to hide sensitive information or the Spotlight tool to highlight key areas. Also, apply dynamic transitions with the zoom in effect and animated clicks. Preview your guide to ensure clarity, then click Publish to go live. Screen capture. With AI screen capture, creating clean, informative visuals is quick and intuitive. Start by selecting what you want to capture, a browser tab or an open window, and click Share. You can choose to capture either the full visible area or a specific section using the Selected Area option. Once captured, you can enhance the image directly within the tool. Resize or rotate as needed, draw on the image, add shapes, icons, or text, and apply image filters to match your visual style. When you're satisfied, click Insert and add the image directly into your article. From there, you can reposition it, add captions, and continue refining your documentation with a clear, polished visual. Record video. The Record Video feature lets you capture your screen with optional camera and audio input. Choose whether to record a browser tab or an open window. Set the resolution and click Start Recording. After a brief countdown, begin interacting with the UI. Take your time to walk through the process just as your users would experience it. Every click and action is automatically recorded. Once done, click Stop Sharing. Your recording will be processed automatically. You can then enhance the video by adding call to action buttons, using blur or spotlight tools to focus viewer attention, and cleaning up with crop and trim. Customize further with AI voiceovers in over 20 languages. Just input your script and select a voice. Subtitles can be enabled or disabled, and mouse clicks can be adjusted or hidden without re-recording. Once finalized, the video is embedded directly into your article. Preview the result, and when ready, click Publish. The video player on the customer-facing site includes standard controls like playback speed, subtitles, and full screen mode. Interactive demo. The interactive demo works much like the Record Video feature, but with an upgrade. As you record, it automatically inserts call to action buttons and other interactive elements for you. Capturing the demo is just as easy as Record Video. Select the browser tab you want to show, click Start Recording, and walk through your UI. When you're done, hit Stop Sharing and your file will process in seconds. Once it's ready, you'll see all of the automatically added items listed under the Added Elements dropdown. From there, you can tweak or enhance the demo just like you would with Record Video. Add extra call to action buttons, spotlights, or text overlays, crop the footage, even layer in camera recording, music, or AI voiceovers. Click Close to insert the finished demo into your article. When the article is published, the interactive video player appears on the customer-facing site and the CTA buttons will launch it. The big difference from a standard recorded video? Interactive demos include numbered slides, making it easier for viewers to jump to specific sections of the demo. Here are some of the key advantages of using the Document 360 Floik AI. Replace multiple tools with one powerful inbuilt solution. Capture, edit, and publish everything in one seamless flow. Create high-impact documentation in minutes, not hours, with inbuilt screen recording, screenshots, and guided workflows. No design or video expertise required. Accelerate users' time to value by letting users self-guide themselves on how to use the product. Engage users with dynamic, visual-rich documentation that drives better understanding and reduces support tickets. With Floik AI, Document 360 brings a new level of speed, clarity, and convenience to the documentation process. Whether you're recording a walkthrough, capturing a screen, or building a step-by-step guide, everything you need is now built in right into your workspace. No more juggling tools, no more manual uploads, just efficient, high-quality content creation from start to finish. To avail the Floik AI capabilities, please contact us at support@document360.com.